expected wins, there were the unexpected wins. The blowouts, the tight five-setters. We had everything in the first round of the 74th season of the Women's Volleyball Tournament of the UAAP. It was a roller coaster ride, and the good news is these 8 teams get to do it again as we start the second round. FEU and NU kicking off the second round today, Saturday, and then later on the undefeated defending champions, DLSU Lady Spikers, go up against the Adamson University Lady Falcons. We do it all over again, and it's all live, courtesy of ABS-CBN Sports on Studio 23. Boom Gonzalez together with Doc Ian Laurel, welcoming you to another round of exciting volleyball action.
That's true, Boom. This is where all these games are very, very important. Now we're going to see later the team standings, but like what you said, these two teams just met 3 days ago.
Yes, that's right.
And really, NU suffered the beating against FEU. I'm saying a beating, you won't realize it when you look at the scores, but the way, their demeanor, their approach to that game, para talagang nakakapanghina for them. Because you know what? They're trying to improve their record that they had last year, 5-9. Now they're 4 games away from that. We're going to look at the team standings. De La Salle, of course, still with an unscathed record, 7-0, followed by Ateneo, Adamson. And USC is tied with FEU at 4-3. So FEU, of course, wants to get as much wins as they want to get into that magic number for that Final Four. For the side of NU, they're 1-6. Like what I said, 5-9 sila last season, and they really fell short of they almost made it to the Final Four. But look at their record now. Sabi nga natin, they're trying to build up for next year, but really, they haven't shown that for this season.
Yeah, parang ang sabi ko nga kay Mosey, parang 1 step forward last year, 2 steps backward so far this year for NU, and it's not helping that they're on a 6-game losing streak, the last of which, as you mentioned, against the FEU Lady Tamaraws 3 days ago. The last assignment for the first round, the first set was kind of tight, but it was all downhill from then on in.
Exactly. We covered this game, Boom, and we expected a good one because we saw in the pregame that NU, their main goal really was to end that 5-game winning streak and start to win. They want to make it to the Final Four. But again, like what I said, after that first set loss, it was downhill all the way. In fact, in the second set, dun pa nakapasok si Kai Nepomuceno because she didn't start this game due to gastroenteritis. Look at this, 25-23 in the first, 25-17 in the second, and of course, FEU winning it in 3 sets, 38-21. Big difference in offense. 4 blocks for each team, 2 serves apiece, and opponents' errors quite close, 31-32. But like what I said, the numbers don't show it, but NU wasn't in their usual selves for this game.
Nabanggit mo na nga si Kai Nepomuceno, humabol lang nung laban na yun. She wasn't there for the first set. She was out of the hospital the day before. And humabol dun sa laro na yun. Hindi nakalaro ng first set. And yet, that was the tightest of all the 3 sets. So obviously, her production wasn't as expected. She only came up with 2 points. She's not averaging, she's averaging a little over 15 throughout the first 6 games of the tournament. That's not the kind of Nepomuceno that we know, obviously, may iniinda.
That's right. And she was doubtful to start the game, but she was there during the second set. Ito nga, ang layo, 15 points coming out of Maricar for the past 6 games and only 2 for that game against FEU. I'm sure she's going to make it up today.
And we've always said that where she goes, that's where the team goes. And so far, it's been tough for her and tough for the team. But for FEU, they're rolling here. They're getting a lot of production from a lot of Lady Tamaraws. Eulalia has seemed to have really come into the scorer's role. Vargas also played very well in that last game against National University, actually top scoring. But recently, Winnet Eulalia, this Bulaqueña, has really stepped up for Coach Nes Pamilar.
That's right, Winnet Eulalia. Again, ang importante dito, nawala si Maika Morada.
Yes.
And now she's in that spot together with Rojas. And Winnet Eulalia, if FEU wants to really, have a run for the championship, Winnet Eulalia, Vargas, and Rojas, they have to produce double digits each and every time. So Winnet, I think, is on that road. 11 points, 8 from Spice, and 3 from the defensive block.
Parang siya pa yung naging veterano ngayon.
Oo, siya nagdadala ngayon.
All right, we'll see them all in action today as we kick off second round festivities here at the arena in San Juan.